Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to change oil in a Fiat 500. First, gather your essential tools: a 13mm wrench, an oil filter wrench, a drain pan, and 4 quarts of 5W40 synthetic oil. Next, warm your engine for about 10 minutes, then turn it off. Finally, safely lift your Fiat 500 using jack stands on a level surface, ensuring stability. Now let's drain the old oil. Place your drain pan directly under the oil drain plug, which is typically a 13mm bolt. Carefully remove the drain plug and allow all the old engine oil to flow out completely. This usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes. Once drained, replace the drain plug with a new crush washer and tighten it securely. Next, we'll replace the oil filter. Locate the old oil filter, usually a canister near the front of the engine. Use an oil filter wrench to loosen and remove it, being mindful of any residual oil. Take your new oil filter and apply a thin film of new engine oil to its rubber gasket. Hand tighten the new filter until snug, then give it an additional 1/4 turn. Finally, let's add the new oil. Carefully pour approximately 3.8 liters of new 5W40 synthetic engine oil into the filler cap. After adding, check the oil level using the dipstick, ensuring it falls between the minimum and maximum marks. Start the engine for about 30 seconds, then turn it off. Recheck for any leaks and confirm the oil level once more.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.